Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to talk about this hair that I have from SYP. It's a company that sells different kind of hairs online. They contact me, I think beginning of the year or last year. Came in the FedEx package. This is the FedEx package where they came in, and all of the hair came in a plastic bag, and then all of them were singly in a plastic with the company logo and information. They also sent me some lashes. I don't really like to wear lashes, but they're looking very nice. Maybe I can try them one time. I have here the 3 bundles. One I already opened, of course, and this one is my 18-inch. So this is the 18-inch. It's very short. The curls are very thin and small. It's still in original state. I didn't wash it. I did nothing. It's just come out of the package like this. The smell is good. It doesn't smell weird. It doesn't smell like it has something in it or chemical treat. It's not being chemical treat, of course. I think it's a natural brown, the color as well. Also here, my 20-inch, my 18-inch, and my 22-inch. So these are the bundles that I have, 3 bundles. This is the 20-inch that I have recently checked how it is when I try to take the curls from each other, and it looks very good. The curls are so tight. I can't wait to have this hair, like wash it and do a co-wash or color it. I really want to try another color, but oh, this looks so good. This looks so nice. As you can see, it's very long. What I noticed is that my bundles are I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna show it to you. This is 22 and 20. Look at the fullness. There's definitely a difference between these two and my 18-inch. This is my 22, this is my 18. The color is also regular brown, it's not black. Yes, it's very like regular brown. The curl pattern is so tight. This will definitely look like a 4C or 4B. It's very soft. I think it's very thick as well, because everything is still attached to each other. So yeah. Yes, this is going to be very full and thick. So that's why I didn't take 4 bundles, because I think it will be a lot. This is a close-up. So this is my frontal 18-inch. You can see here, oh, it's not bleach. The knots are not bleached. You can see that the front is a little bit pre-plucked. There are no baby hairs. I don't like to have baby hairs, but you can definitely see that Well, I can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I can see here that the curls are very like tight from the root of the lace, and that's something I appreciate. Density is okay. I think it's very full. You can see here that the curls are starting from the roots. That's what you can see here. And it's been pre-plucked a little bit. But I think it looks okay. It's very good sewed on as well. Oh, I can see a rip here, but I can work with that because I'm gonna cut it anyway. But yes, so from the 22 bundle, I just took the card off and I start reading it, and it says what you have to do with the hair when you receive it, what not to do as well. It say cold wash before installing, rinse through with cold water. That's something that I always do. I never wash my curls with warm water, and the reason why I never wash my curls with warm water will make it extra dry, and cold not. So it's better to let the hair air dry naturally after washing. That's something as well. It's gonna be extremely dry, and you will have a lot of like dryness and matting stuff if you're gonna use a blow dryer. It says you can color it. Let it be done by a hair professional. I am a hairdresser, so I can do it. Do not apply excessive heat. So that's what I told you as well. Shampoo hair every week. Oh my god. Shampoo washing hair once a week at least. So I do it like once in 2 weeks normally with my curls, but I can try to do it once a week. Here it says what kind of hair you have: loose wave, body wave, straight, natural wave. And yeah, for now I really have to try it. I really have to see how the hair will be maintaining and stuff. I'm so anxious. I can't wait to install it and sew it down. A lot of you ask how I sew down my bundles, and I'm using normally the spandex dome cap, what everybody's using on YouTube as well and at home, of course. So that's what I'm using. I have like a normal mannequin headstand. I'm just putting my thing on and sew everything down. I also use a bandage. Is it a bandage? Or yeah, just to make the frontal or the closure sit more tighter and like flat. What did I say enough? Like I cannot tell you if it sheds. I cannot tell anything yet. I really have to sew it down and wear it. I do know I'm gonna color it. I'm not gonna wear it like this color. I really don't like the color. I know it's like natural and stuff, but really I like it when it's or either it's jet black, or either I colored it another color, maybe a dark burgundy or dark red or a blonde color. but I'm really not sure and over it what to do. So yes, that's something else as well. Yes, I know it's gonna be so long. Okay guys, you have to watch my other video because there is actually nothing to say anymore. So hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye guys.